Welcome back to our channel, guys.
What's good? Welcome back to another video.
If you are new to our channel, my name is Jade.
And my name is Kay.
And today we are doing another science experiment because it's Sunday Fun Day. So today we're doing it with Skittles. Who loves Skittles? Do you love Skittles? I hate candy.
I don't like candy, so I like the red ones. But why are you talking like that, babe?
I was hype.
She's so hype over this thing. But for today's little experiment that we're doing.
Today you guys will need a paper plate or just a regular plate, a bag of Skittles. You can also use M&Ms and hot water. It says
warm water.
It says warm water. It says hotter the better.
Yeah.
So
what we're going to be doing is putting the Skittles on a plate, all right? Organize them, babe. Why so many greens? What green tastes like?
I love yellows.
It's apple.
Why would you eat it?
I thought it was going to be good. Candy is nasty. So you organize them around in a circle on a plate?
Yes. I was also watching videos. There is other videos that you can do, like, different designs. Bro, what are you doing? Why is your circle not around?
My circle is around. Why are you going all out there? Like, it has to be on the edge of the plate? Oh, like on the outer part?
Mine on the edge.
Alright. It's right here going on. There's too much.
There can be two colors at once.
Yo, what are you doing? Stop eating them. Eat the ones out my hands. Like, why are you
mad because they're together, so I ate it.
No, I was fixing it because it was different colors, not because it was together.
Before we get into this video,
I'm trying. Oh, these are good.
We would like everybody to take their time and say a prayer for Puerto Rico. Our family just landed yesterday. They just got back from Puerto Rico.
Yeah, it's been a tough week for me, just knowing that they were out there, and it's really tough on them coming back and having to leave the rest of our family out there and their friends and just, everyone in general. It's really sad.
There's been a lot of earthquakes for those that don't know what's going on.
Get educated. It's a lot going on.
People are losing their homes. And the army just got there, right?
Yeah. So just prayers for them and keep them in mind. Just like Australia, just keep everyone in mind. Like right now.
Pray for the world.
Yeah, pray for the world in general, guys, because you guys have a lot compared to what other people have right now, and just got to keep them in mind right now because the situation is just all really sad around. And we just want everybody in Puerto Rico and Australia and everyone to know that we're here with you in our thoughts and prayers and through our minds. Like, I can't stop thinking about it, and I wish there was a lot more that we could do. And we just keep you guys in our prayers. That's it. So now we'll get into this video, guys.
Smash that like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to K and J.
Yes.
Let's get this pot.
Alright, so we got the cup of hot water. We just dump it in the middle, right? Yeah. Oh, hold on, babe. I'm going to record off my phone since we're recording on the camera.
Yeah, I got two different
angle.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want you guys to see it from the top.
Should I put the light on? How's it look on there? Okay.
Yeah, put it be right on top. You ready? Yep. Y'all ready? Jay been hype over this. Let's see what this does. It better do what it do, because our last experiment
was no bueno.
Y'all saw how much water?
It just says to, like, basically fill it up to let it.
Like that much, or keep filling it?
Keep filling it until the middle's, like, full.
It's almost filled.
Oh, it started.
Yo,
that is so cool.
It is cool.
Why you look at me like that?
Yo, this is lit.
This science experiment is way better than last one. Look at the Skittles. How it's like removing the whole color from them.
Yo, it's lit. I'm about to go grab that camera and see what so they can see this with. Oh, you got that angle?
Yeah.
Is it recording? Because you're not even looking.
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh, yeah. Yo, it looks lit. Y'all got to see this. Y'all going to see it. We're going to put it up here. We're going to put it right up here. Yo, it's freaking dope.
Look how it's turning.
Yo, my Skittles is white as hell now.
That's what I just said.
You see it is sucking up all the color. Yo, the warm water is sucking up all the colors out of the Skittles. You gotta see it.
Yo,
and they're just like all coming in towards the middle, combining. It's like a swirl.
Shit. Sorry guys, if I was a little lopsided.
What? Oh, up there? Yo, the red ones. The red ones is good, y'all.
Comment below what your guys' favorite Skittle color is.
Red.
Mine is yellow and red.
Red is lemon. I mean, yellow is lemon, right? Oh, that's nasty, babe.
You know I love lemons.
Green apple.
Oh, this was lit.
Yo, it was lit. Can I flip this around? So it'll suck out this other side? Yo, the Skittles is white!
Show them. Oh, well, they can see.
They're gonna see from that angle. Yo, it's lit!
Let's do another one.
I was eating the red ones. Yo, can I stick it my finger in and swirl it up? Let me write my name. No, it ain't doing nothing. Oh, look. Look.
Oh.
I can swirl it. Now I'm about to swirl this side.
So
You see it
cool,
swirling? You see it swirling? You see it swirling? I did that. I messed this side up over here, but these over there. All right, we're gonna do another one. Yo,
let me see the one.
It was dope. Y'all gotta do this one.
I seen someone do. Let's do something different.
It was like lines.
Yeah,
it was like lines. Like curve it out, right?
Yeah,
it was like,
but like they get it all one color in each one.
All right, so that'll be like all green coming straight across, right?
Yeah.
And then we'll start oranging it up over here on this side, right? They know the red ones are good. You know how I know? There's barely any in the pack. There's barely any in the pack. Y'all know when something good, they barely give you some like chips. If you from Pennsylvania, comment down below. Let the other folks know how much our bags of chips be weighing. Don't put the reds. Put brown. Put brown.
No, and that's purple.
I only like the reds, and you about to waste them.
The green is nasty. Where are we gonna put a purple on? Put like a purple like right here.
They don't need because that'll mess up. It'll combine with the other ones. They don't need purple. Is that purple or brown?
That's purple.
Oh, it's great. I said brown, like what? Chocolate? Yo, I'm always snacking. These strawberry ones is good. It's gonna spread out. The orange ones is like,
what do you think it's about to do?
I don't know. I'm hoping to see. Yo, it's leaking out. Yo, look, it's spreading. You see him? How you looking here? Everyone's lit. No. But I was reading up on this. Basically, it's a whole science thing that you learn like
That's
in the.
it's called.
I think like in the 5th grade or something like that. I don't remember when I learned this. This was school for me. It was a long time ago, guys. Especially the 5th grade. But basically, the hot water activates the molecules inside the colors, and it spreads them out.
Sucks it up. Sucks
It's
the
dope.
color out of the Skittle.
Yo.
This one we made like a flag.
Flag babe. No, it reminds me of that game, Trouble, for some reason.
Trouble? Is it trouble?
I'm weird.
What? Is it trouble? Did you hit the back of your throat?
Yeah, I swallowed that good one and chew.
Alright guys, this was our second one. The first one was, it was cool, but I liked the first one.
was way better.
It was like this.
But as always, guys,
we hope you guys enjoyed our science experiment.
Yeah.
Sunday fun day. Babe's over here choking on
I
some
choked on a Skittle.
Skittles.
Yo, I saw that joint. I thought I was cool. It was like, I threw 2 in my mouth, the other one went in my...
right now. What? Is it trouble?
Well, don't replay. Don't choke. Don't do me dirty like that. But for next week's experiment, I don't even know what we're doing.
Yeah, I don't know yet neither.
We was gonna pick it out, but like I said, we've been really stressed out by my family and what's been going on.
And I've been sick all week.
Jay had the flu. Jay had the flu all this week. I did not get it.
No, she did not.
I guess from our
you did get sick.
I got a little sick for like 1 day, but I was on it. But I guess for having a crappy immune system when I was younger, now as an adult, I'm like have the best immune system. I really don't get sick. And I'll be on top of it. I was scared for her. I was scared. I've never seen her sick like that ever in almost 11 years we've been together. Like I've never.
11 years.
They so hype. Her 11th year anniversary is coming up.
Next
her birthday.
month. And today's post notification shout out goes to Amy Hotson Calmer.
Yep, Hotson.
Calmer?
Yep, Calmer.
Shout out to you, girl. Thank you for having your post notifications on and always showing us love. I notice all your comments.
And remember, guys, don't forget to like,
comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video.
Get ready for some more things.
Yeah.
And we're going to be in there.
Stay tuned, y'all.
It's going down. Peace. Look, guys. Oh, shit. Never mind. We done.
Stay tuned for the next video, guys.
K&J.
Never ending. Never ending. 11 years. Why would we end now? Why?